Rlaarlo proudly launches its second large-scale model, the 1/7 scale JK07 PRO crawler. The JK07 PRO is not only designed with the same exquisite appearance and highly realistic details as a rear vehicle, but also features a standard RC structure, allowing it to easily tackle various crawling challenges with exceptional performance. Whether you choose the brushless or brush version, the JK07 PRO offers 3 different colour schemes to meet the personal preferences of every user. The body is made of 1.5mm thick polycarbonate, which is more durable and wear resistant than PVC, reducing the risk of damage to the body during use. The accessory kit includes brand stickers, a user manual, a ladder, a table, 3 chairs, an orange marker, a white marker instruction manual, a roll of panel line stickers, and a wheel hub socket wrench. The body features a flip-up design with spring-loaded rotating buckles at the front, making it easier to open and more securely fastened without compromising the realistic appearance. Aluminium side steps effectively prevent body deformation and vibration, whilst 0.3 black panel line stickers allow you to customize door lines and panel lines for a more 3-dimensional and realistic scale look. The steering linkage design synchronizes rotation with the steering wheel movement. The independent wiper control system is powered by an 8kg micro servo with 3 speeds adjustable via the remote control. The JK07 is equipped with 12 lighting modes, including daytime running lights, high beams, low beams, turn signals, wheel arch lights, mirror lights, hazard lights, passing lights, reverse lights, brake lights, high mounted brake lights, roof lights, fog lights, and front bumper spotlights. PCB mounted LED beads simplify wiring, making the overall layout cleaner. The roof light bar offers 3 modes: high brightness, pulsing, and strobe. The hidden wiring for the mirror turn signals enhances the clean and aesthetic design. The vehicle comes with a roll cage featuring simulated recovery boards on both sides. The raised logos and studs on the recovery boards can be customized with DIY colouring using the included markers. The interior of the roll cage provides space for additional accessories and includes a luggage box scale decoration. The roll cage top is equipped with a foldable tent that can be stored or opened. Users can add camping lights and figurines for a more immersive experience. The side awning is printed with outdoor style patterns and can be extended or stored, offering a more authentic outdoor experience. The rear door includes an equipment panel, a shovel accessory, rear footrest, and a license plate holder. The roof rack platform features guide slots for mounting additional accessories with screws. Standard outdoor tables and chairs are included, which can be folded for easy storage. The upgraded metal wheel rims are secured with 6 M2.5 screws, offering a more realistic appearance compared to traditional 4mm or 5mm nuts. The new simulated tyre tread pattern comes with 2 markers, yellow and white, for DIY tyre marking. The professional RC chassis features clean wiring and realistic suspension travel, providing excellent off-road capability to conquer various terrains. The vehicle is equipped with 8mm stainless steel links, 1 front pan hard bar, 1 steering ring, 3 front suspension links, 1 upper, 2 lower, and 4 rear suspension links, 2 upper, 2 lower. The upgraded shock absorbers feature thickened seals and shock shafts, along with added dust covers to prevent dust ingress, reducing sticking and oil leakage issues. The upgraded servo arm is more robust and less prone to deformation or breakage. The flat gearbox design shifts the center of gravity forward, improving crawling stability and reducing torque twist. The 120mm full metal oil-filled shock absorbers offer a maximum travel of 37mm, ensuring smooth performance even on rough terrain. The portal axle design provides higher ground clearance and better off-road performance, with gear reduction on both sides to minimize torque loss. Metal front-rear differential servo mounts and high-low speed servo mounts enhance durability. The brushed version uses a 45 kg coreless servo, whilst the brushless version uses a brushless servo, allowing independent control of front and rear differentials. The axle housings feature 1.2cm gears for increased durability with the ability to lock and unlock front-rear differentials to ensure consistent rotational speed during turns and curves, improving handling and reducing the risk of rollovers during high-speed turns. The vehicle offers front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive modes. The two-speed system allows seamless switching between high and low speeds. The transmission uses full CNC chrome steel gears on 1cm pinion and spur gear and 0.8cm for other transmission gears, ensuring reliable durability. Dual function disc slipper clutch provides additional protection for the vehicle under extreme conditions, preventing damage to the gears and the motor, thus enhancing transmission durability for an extended vehicle lifespan. The brushed version features a 5280 motor with 16,000 RPM using neodymium magnets. The brushless version features a 4282 motor with 2200 kV offering superior durability, better low-speed linearity, quieter operation, smoother performance, and improved waterproofing. The brushed version uses 140A ESC supporting 3S batteries with quality imported chips for enhanced durability and protection. The brushless version uses 140A ESC supporting 2 to 4S batteries with app adjustable parameters and a cooling fan. The 10-channel remote controller offers a range of approximately 350 meters, integrating throttle, steering, front-rear differential lock, overdrive, lighting and wiper controls. It uses 4 AA batteries for easy replacement. The Rlaarlo 1/7 scale JK07 PRO crawler, with its exquisite realistic design and exceptional performance, allows you to experience the most authentic driving pleasure whilst pushing your every limits. Every climb is a battle against gravity, and every conquest defines who you are.